Because we know the daily issues of cleaning and facilities management companies, we created the ecosystem of web and mobile solutions, Progiclean. Progiclean is a business management software with its associated mobile applications designed to make your day-to-day business easier by increasing profitability, greater productivity, and better quality of service. John runs a cleaning company.
Thanks to Progiclean, I run my business with Serenity. This web solution allows information to be centralized and to better circulate between my different services. The contribution in saving time is considerable. Today, we prepare our payrolls and manage our end-of-month billing in less than 3 days. What a relief!
Lauren is a field agent.
With Mobiclean, I receive in real time on my smartphone my schedule and the details of the tasks to be performed. Moreover, I communicate with my manager in real time. At the end of a mission, I write and send directly my intervention report, and I can have the work order signed by the client, who also gives his satisfaction.
Frank is a supervisor.
Thanks to QualiMobi, I can directly make quality control on my tablet and send them in real time. Our customers can consult the controls made from their web interface. Nothing makes them more happier.
Natalie is a client.
With Clink, I simply communicate my satisfaction rating via my application. Furthermore, I consult the schedules, my invoices, or I make a request for intervention, and I can even declare the non-conformities. It's pleasant to have access to information and to communicate effectively with my provider.
So contact us and start digitizing your processes with Progiclean.